your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Mercedes back here with us for her second visit here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. Mercedes came in with neck pain and upper back pain, shoulder pain, headaches, dizziness, low back pain, sacral pain, SI joint pain, and pain down in her legs, as well as numbness and tingling in her arms and hands. And I'll let her tell you after we get done how she did. Let's have you close your eyes for me now, Mercedes, and bend your head forward and backwards. This is how we get results. Now neutral. There you go. See, you're still a little bit forward and a little bit left. You see that? But it's looking better than it was the first time. Your hands are back further onto your sides. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Okay, so I'm going to bring you over here today and we're going to do the decompression on you first. There we go. Let's lay you on your back right here. Yep. Nope, head up this way. There we go. Yeah, let's slide you down this way just a bit. A little bit more. There we go. There we go. Who referred you to see us? Your coworker. Yep. You get a lot of that. We treat a lot of people from the George Bush Intercontinental, United Airlines, American Airlines. There's an airport so close. Now her right reflex, as you can see, is a little less than her left reflex. Did you feel the difference? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this towel around your skull and around your chin. Take a nice deep breath through your nose. Just like that. Good job. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yep.
Yep. Keep breathing. Now look at that reflex difference. Did you see the difference? Much better. There we go. Oh yeah. My favorite. Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake. Most of our patients are referrals. A lot of people now are coming in from watching our YouTube videos. Let's have you sit up this way. And we'll come over here on your tummy next. There we go. And place right in there. You go ahead and put your hands right there. Oh wow, thanks, Sean. Left leg is short by about 1/4 of an inch. Yep, see that tightens up right there in your low back, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So your pelvis raised up a little bit on this left side, so her left SI joint's out. I bet you that's a little tender right there. Is it?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So we're going to adjust that right SI joint first. Or left SI joint, I'm sorry. And now her right one, because that moved good. Her sacrum, which is the middle triangular shaped bone in the center of the pelvis. Move up to L5, L4, L3, L2, and I'm going to get the L1 and the lower thoracics just like this. There we go. Yep, keep exhaling for me. Now, girl. Okay, you're going to feel your head popping up a little bit on this one, Mercedes. Good. Perfect. Okay, let's turn you on your back. That last one was a little sore, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. There we go. Yep, perfect. You're just right. Yep. That's it. Head up and back. I'm going to put that curve back in your cervical spine. Get your posture up over your spine properly. Slide down just a little bit and put your arms straight out to the sides for me, facing palms up. Like this. Kind of like Jesus adjustment. There we go. Get your clavicle where it attaches to your sternum and then your interior ribs right here. Those aren't as sore as they were the first time, are they?
No.
Okay, just relax your leg in my hand here. Nope. Just relax it a little bit and then you hit that, won't give you whiplash. There you go. Did you feel that in your knee and your back?
Yes.
Okay. Same here. Yes, ma'am. Good. Okay, let's sit you face toward Joseph. Good job. There we go. I think the one thing you'll notice about our adjustments in our videos is they are very consistent, and that's why people keep coming back here, is because I stay consistent with what I do. I'm not changing up techniques all the time, doing different therapies on people. I give them a pure chiropractic adjustment from head to toe, 3-dimensionally, and we stay consistent, and that's what gets results. There we go. Good. Okay, let's stand you up in front of the mirror. Okay. Now let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me again. And then neutral. Take a look at that now. See, your head's just a little forward, but you're not translated as much. I'm going to bring that head up and back here. That's alright. I'm used to getting stepped over in here. Good. Okay, let's try that same thing again now, Mercedes. This should feel smoother, by the way.
Yes.
Now neutral. Yep, see, you're right down the middle. Perfect. You got equal spacing here, hands are at your side. Very good. So, if you had to share with our YouTube subscribers about your first 2 experiences here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, what would you tell them?
It's been great. You definitely feel a lot better.
Have you had a lot of relief of your pain from your first visit?
Especially in my shoulder where I got hurt at work.
Yep. Okay. Very good. Thank you for sharing your experience with us, Mercedes. We appreciate it. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.